Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off talkback on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start video. At first you have to move on setting. Here you have to click twice, 1, 2. Then here you have to scroll by like this. Okay, see, you can scroll like this. If you are in this feature, suppose you are in this feature, right, just keep scrolling little like this. Okay, just keep scroll like this. Then if you reach on accessibility, what you have to do is just click on accessibility, then 1, 2. Okay, here you have to click on talkback, 1, 2 like this. Okay, just follow my steps. Okay, then here you can click on this icon, 1, 2, and here is the turn off option, so click on it, 1, 2, and the talkback will be set off on your mobile phone. Okay, you can set off the talkback on your device like this. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.